Hi team, good morning. My name is Hanmant and today we are going to see the filter method. But in the previous video, we have seen that the for each method and their use cases. Okay, we have seen this one. For each, what is the use of this one? For each, this method is used to filter the collection data, and with the help of this, okay, how we will print the data, right? We have seen all these examples. But in the today's session, we are going to understand how we will work with the filter. Okay, what is the filter method? Okay, so first of all, I will remove all this. Okay, this I have removed. This one also I will remove. This also I will remove. Okay, so in this session you are going to see the filter method. Okay, filter method. What is the filter method? Where we will use it, and what the filter method internally contains, we are going to see in this video. Okay, basically filter method is used to filter method is used to filter the data based on some condition. Basically we will filter the data. It should be a collection data, any data. Okay, so like this, based on some conditions we will filter the data. Okay, the filter method internally uses which one? Filter data internally uses predicate functional interfaces, and it will implement that abstract method. The name of that abstract method is test. Okay, which will return boolean, right? Filter method filter internally uses predicate functional interface which contains test, boolean test. Okay, boolean test, this is a abstract method. Okay, which is present inside the predicate functional interfaces. So we will see some of the examples how we will use those, this filter on some data, how to we will filter the data using the filter method. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will take one list of integers, list of integer list of integer. Here I will take some of the numbers. Okay, numbers is equals to arrays. As you seen, arrays start as either going with arrays, we will use the list. Okay, the last video you have seen that I am using the arrays, but in this video you will go with list dot off method. Okay, so here I will take some of the digits numbers. Okay, 56, 76. Okay, 32 and 55 and 75. These are the some numbers I am going to use here. Okay, what I will do, I will use filter method to filter this data. So if I want to get the data, like even data from this, okay, from this list, so how I will use that filter, I will tell you. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will print some here. Yes, out filtering the filtering the even data and printing, right? So what I will do here, I will use numbers how you will use in the previous examples, na, like that only you are going to do. After that, what I will do, I will make it as a string. I, with the help of string only, we will perform some of the operation, required operation on that particular list. Okay, so I will use string. After that, what I will do, I will use here filter to apply some condition. See here, it's showing right. Filter internally uses predicate functional interfaces. That's I will use. So we will see what it contains internally. So I will open this one filter. See filter. Okay, predicate. Right. It will return the stream as I told you. It will return the uh, what stream of the required based on that particular filtering condition. See, returns a stream consisting of the elements of the this stream that match the given predicate. Okay, whichever condition you are providing in this filter, na, feature data will match that particular condition. That data will be returned to us. Okay, so this is how the predicate content internally test. Okay, boolean test, right? As I mentioned, boolean test. This is what internally filter uh, method consists. So here, what I will do here, I will provide some of the condition. Okay, because we are going to do here filtering the event data and printing. Okay, so here I will use. Everyone knows that the how we will use the lambda expressions. Okay, so this is like that only mod 2 is equal to 0. This is basically filter condition we will use, right? This is a condition. I will give some space in between that, then it will look like good. So this is right. So after that I want to print whatever the event data is there, no? That I will print using the for each. Okay, for each. Here, what you are going to print? See, we in once the filter condition is complete, na, then what we will get? We will get filtered data, means event data. So for that event data, I need to print. Okay, because there are according to this condition, from this there are some elements, not a single element, because there are 12 is a even number, 56 is a low even number, 76, 32. These are the even numbers. So these are total 3 or 4 even numbers. So to print that even numbers, we need to use one more lambda expressions. Okay, so I will take here number of number, right? One by one. For each method is to traverse one by one. Feature data coming from this, no? This data you are printing one by one. So I will compile this one. First of all, save it and compile this one. Compile successfully. See, 12, 56, 76, 32. These values are even and we are printing one by one. Right. So this is the first example. Okay. In the second example, what we will do? We will apply filter condition, and after that we will collect as a list. Okay, system dot out. Okay, filtering the event data and collecting as a list. Collect as list. Okay, so for this also I will use same numbers, right? So first of all, what I will do, numbers dot stream sorry, stream after that. Here I will use filter similar to that only. Okay, I I I mod 2 equals to 0. Okay, same you are doing same thing, but just what you are doing in this, the difference is that you are collecting as a list. Okay, so after that what you need to use the collect to collect the data. Inside that there is collector classes. There are, sorry, are collectors, collectors, collectors. Okay, collectors, and the method of that collector class is nothing but to, where it is going, yeah, collectors to list. This is a method you are going to take, right? Um, I will give here semicolon. So you are collecting the list, okay? Collecting as a list. So what I will do here, I will use list. You need to collect in some variable, right? To print later. List integer, list integer, given list equals to, right? Then what I will do, I will I will increase the brightness, okay? So what I will do, I will print this one once again. Combine, filtering the data, given data, okay, and collect as a list. He just printed this one. So after that, we need to print this one also. Okay, yes out, yes out. This one is need to pass here. Save it. Now I will compile once again. And see, filtering the event data and collect as a list. Here we are printing one by one, so that's why it's not coming in the square bracket. But here we are collecting as a list and we are printing that list. Okay, so like that, here we are getting filtering the event data and collect as a list. This is the event data and we are collecting, right? This is how we'll use. Okay, so now we will in the next example we will see that what we will do. In this we will collect as a set. Okay, I will use same this one only. Okay, see, okay, even data, and we will collect as a set. Here I will make set, set, set. I know everyone know about how what is the set. Okay, I will compile it. Okay, after showing I will compile. Okay, okay, okay. What happened here? Okay, I need to import that one also, right? Mm. Sometimes it will not import automatically. I copied now, that's why it's not imported. Sorry for that. Visual Studio Code. I directly import from copy paste, so that's why you are giving a compilation error. Okay, I will save it. Once again, I will compile it. Um, what I missed. See, you need to make a mistakes. If you want to learn, you need to make a mistake. Characters dot to list. So here we are mentioning set. Then we are using as a, how it will work, man. Now it will work. Okay, I will clear this thing. Okay. Now I will combine. Yes, this time you got correct one, right? See, 32, 56, 12, and 76. Okay, okay. See, here we are getting The order of insertion is not mentioned, right? So that's why it will coming randomly. Okay, so what I will do in this list only, I will add one more data. What I will add 56. Okay, save. I will say we'll see how many data it will print. Okay, you know the behavior of set. Everyone know behavior of set. So here we got, okay, 12, 56, 76, 32, 56. But here you got 32, 56, 12, 76. The another 56 we missed because set stores only unique data, right? Not a duplicate data. Like this, we will use for it, sorry, filter method. Okay, give me one. So we have seen these three examples till the time. So in the next example, we will what we'll do, we will find means count the elements. Okay, number of elements from this A1 data. Okay, so what I will do, use this one, filtering the A1 data and counting the element, count the element. Okay, count the element. Right. So what I will do, I will use here the what I will do numbers. Okay, I am working with the numbers on the numbers stream, number stream dot number stream dot filter. How I will filter? I I mod of I mod of 2 is equals to 0 means this is our filtering condition. After that dot, okay, count, count, this is a count. So what it will returns? It will returns num long. Okay, long now means we will get the count of this. The list contains, right, this much of numbers it will contain. So we are what we are doing in this, we are applying filter. After that we are counting that the whichever elements based uh, whichever elements follow these conditions, so that elements count we will get in this. So what I will do is out sort dot none. Here I will do. Okay. And numbers, sorry, I will take here the counter. Sorry, it will do some, it not looking good. So here I will do count. So after that, what I will do same thing, compile and run, filtering the event data and counting the element. See, five. This one, two, three, four, and last one, five. Five data. We are applied a filter condition on that list, and from that we get five elements as a A1 elements, right? These are the, here we make a total even number or count of the total even numbers. Complete plus save it, compile it, run it. Total even numbers, right? Count of total even numbers, and that's okay. You will understand. So in the next example, what you will do? We will filter the list, and from that we will take first element. Okay. So what I will do here, I'll use this one. This one filtering the event data and finding the first element. Find. Yeah, IRST first element. So here what I will do, dot numbers dot string dot, after that I will apply filter filter and I will give some filtering condition mod 2 equals to 0, and after that what I will do, I want a first element row, so that's why you will see how many operations we will perform after filtering. Okay, see all match, any match, and count distinct equals filter, find any, find first. Okay, so right now we are going with find first. FIND find first. After that, once we will find first, then what we need to do, we need to get that. Okay, up to this now you are finding only. If you want to print that particular first element, then we need to get it. So for that reason I took here a get method. So here what I will do, I will use the int number, because in you are getting only single number from this equals to, right? After that what I will do, I will print this one. Now save it. Okay, save it, compile it, run it, finding the first element as a tail. Okay, see here, first element is what, element one number is tail. So if I will use here find any, okay, what we will get, we will see. Save it, find any means it will take any from that list. Okay, bar only, tail only we are getting. Once I have tail only. Okay, not an issue, it will giving tail only, right? Okay, these are the examples. Okay, these are looks basic examples only, but see after completion of this all these Java 8 features, I am going to take some of the complex examples as well, right? In this video you have seen that how to get the first element. Okay, in the next example you will see we are performing operation on the same list only, but what you are doing, if you want a specific, okay, specific element, then how you will do that one, find the first element, find specific element, specific element. Okay, so please, I know everyone know. Okay, finding the specific element, then it will return int num only have, here I'll use num2. Okay, so after that numbers, like dot string what I'll use here, filter. After applying a filter condition, I I mod I mod 2 equal to 0. Okay, what I'll do, if you want a specific element, then there is one uh, intermediate operations in the string, right? What is that internal? So here I will use skip. Okay, skip. If I use skip, then which value I, after which value I need that specific one, right? Okay, you are applying a condition. Okay, once the applied condition, then you will get some lists of even data, right? After that, which data I want? See, 1 2 3, I want to print this 32. So what I will do, I will provide here three. Skip first three. Okay. Then after what I will do? You find first. Find first. And dot, as you know, get. Okay. In num2. Then what you will do? You will print the same. Num2. Save it. Save it. Java compile it. Run it. See, we got 32. Because once this filter will complete now, then which data we will get? I'll tell you. Till 56 from your own. Oh, okay. Till 56, and after that till 56, 76. These are the first three elements. Okay, we are skipping those elements. And after that, what is the first element? After that, you will get which one? 32. See here. See here. This is a 32, right? We will get that 32. Okay. What are doing here? Skipping these three, and after that, we are find first. Means getting this one. Okay. And we are printing. Like this, you use the skip method if you want to skip. If you want some specific element, then you use the skip, right? Up to this, we have seen this simple examples, right? In next, what we'll do, we will see some based on some other condition as well. Okay, so previously we have created this student class, right? So using this student class, we will do some of the operations, right? So filtering the data. Okay, there are some of the examples we will see, right? So first of all, what I will do, I will, I already removed that data. Okay, okay. So what I will do, I will open Notepad, right? So, so what I will do, I will take these all our examples, right? I need to do some undo here to reduce the workload, right? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Mm, mm. But I require this data, right? So I will take this thing and paste this thing here. Okay, I require this one, so that's why. So I will remove now these things right from here. Here we are working with the filter method, right? Even all are now as I mentioned earlier only. So here I will copy all these things. See, these are examples you are going to see. You have seen up to this. Right now, what I will do, I will work with this student list. Okay. So what I will do, I will apply some filter condition right on the student list, right? Student list dot string. What I'm doing, filtering the EMP data, printing the data, right? I will apply some filtering condition on this data, and after that, I will print that data. So first of all, I will what I'm doing here, I will mention that things also. Yes out. filtering the student data and printing. Okay, so what I will do, what I will do, I will apply the condition now. Stream dot filter. Stream dot filter here. I am working with student list. Then I will take student. The syntax of this one. Okay. What I will do, I will filter with the see here are some names of the students are there. So I will filter based on some. Okay. What I will do, I will filter on the names which are start with the B. Na? I will filter those values. Okay. Student student dot yes name dot there are n numbers of methods it will comes ends with start with, so I'll use start with. Okay, after that we'll see ends with also. Start with the K, Kaveri, capital K. Okay, start with, and after that what I will do, I will print those values for each. I am using for each because if in case there is another one uh, Kalavati name is there, so it will print one by one, right? So currently we have only one single Kaveri is there. So what I will do, student yes out here. What I need to do, student dot sid plus space plus student dot yes name plus student dot marks. This is how you are going to print the student data. Okay, I'll save it and I will compile it and run it. See, 121 Kaveri 92.55%. So if I have considered here, I have only one K Kaveri. As I mentioned, right? I will add another one data using K. Control C. From new Kaveri. Kaveri means here I use Krishna. Krishna Kaveri. And roll number I'll give 131. Marks I will give 95 for Krishna. Save it. I'll save it. After that, compiling the code and running the code. See, Kaveri and Krishna. Okay, both values showing. That's purpose we will use the for each to traverse one by one. If it is only one, then it will print only one. But in the project, it will n number of data it will become. So that's why I'm using this one. Right. Now what I'll do here only in this example only I will use ends with K. Okay. This is basically see here suffix K. But in our this no uh, K at the suffix at the end. So we'll see what it exactly is print. Okay. Control it, compile it, and run it. Okay, nothing is printing, right? Right. If I will mention here A, how many data it need requires to show? Two data. One is Alaknanda, second one is Krishna. Save it, compile it, run it. See, Alaknanda, Krishna. Those values are ending with A. Like this, we have to work with this filter. Okay. So in the next example, what you will do? What you will do here now? We will collect the list of students which are having marks. We will give some condition. Okay, particular. We will use the get the data as a list. Okay, filtering the student data and collecting. Okay, so what I will use here is will as you seen in the previous example only, you are taking as a list, right? List of student. Okay, here yes is equals to what I will do. I will use the student list dot. Okay, stream 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 dot. I will apply some condition on that. Okay, student. What is the condition? Okay, student dot marks is greater than how much 92. I will use 92. Okay, marks greater than 92. Marks student dot marks greater than 92. After that I'll give enter and I will collect this collectors dot to list. Okay, to list, right? We are collecting the data as a list. 1 minute, yeah. So in this, we have collected the a list of the students inside this feature having a marks greater than 92. So after that, I need to print that one. Okay, so for that, I need to go with the for each, right? So yes, dot for each. So rather than writing again, I'll use this one only. This for each only. Control C. Control this. And remove this one. So this is how we will use, right? Condition, applying condition based on the marks. So I will compile and run it. Collecting as a list. Yes. Right? Like this, we will do the filtering, apply the filter. Want to build your own version? Right? Like this only, we will apply conditions on this employee list also. See, we have seen these two, right? Collecting the data in the list format, right? After that, what we will do? We will do apply these things also. Uh, Collecting the data and taking as a list, as a set format. Okay, after that, what we will do? We will using that skip, right? Using that skip, we will on this skip like this. We will what we will do? We will get the specific element or specific student, right? Using the find first, we will find that based on that particular condition, we will get that first element or last. Okay, like this only we will do. This is the filter. Okay, how we will use. This is a Java 8 filter. As I mentioned, I have removed, right. So here, this is a for each, but this is a filter. We are working with filter. This is used to filter the data based on some condition. It internally uses predicate, predicate functional interface, right? Predicate functional interface, and what it will use. The abstract method is nothing but test, Boolean test. Ooh, the abstract method in the filter method consists. Okay, friends, in this video, this much only. Please practice it. It will help you much because today in the market, Java SE8 is more crucial one if you want to survive in the Java. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. Please share it, subscribe it, like it. Okay. Thank you.